Deferred.com AI is one of the best newly released AI software solutions. And today, we're diving into 7 crucial things you need to know before you decide whether it's the right fit for your needs. Whether you're a digital marketer, a business owner, or someone looking to enhance your workflows, Deferred.com AI brings a fresh perspective. Stick with me, and you'll find out why this AI might just be the game changer you've been searching for. Before we get started, make sure to check out the first link below where you can try Deferred.com AI for free. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on this. And stay tuned till the end because I'll share some of my top AI software recommendations after testing thousands of tools, and you won't want to miss it. So let's get into it. The first thing you need to know about Deferred.com AI is that it's designed to save you massive amounts of time. It integrates seamlessly with your existing workflows, which means you can automate tasks that would usually take hours manually. If you're in digital marketing, for example, this tool can handle everything from content generation to customer communication in a fraction of the time it would take you. It's all about making your processes faster and more efficient. Second, Deferred.com AI is super intuitive. When new AI tools drop, they often come with a learning curve. But Deferred.com AI is designed to be user-friendly. You don't need to be a tech expert to get started. The setup process is straightforward, and the interface is clean, so you can jump right in and start automating without wasting time. Another thing worth mentioning is how flexible this AI is. Unlike some rigid systems, Deferred.com AI allows you to customize it to fit your needs. Whether you're in sales, marketing, or project management, you can tweak the AI to fit your exact use case. This level of customization gives it an edge over other AI tools that can feel limited after a certain point. Now, let's talk about its advanced analytics. With Deferred.com AI, you're not just automating tasks, you're getting actionable insights. The software generates detailed reports on everything from user interactions to campaign performance. This means you can track how well your automated processes are performing and make adjustments in real time, which is crucial for optimizing your strategy. On top of that, Deferred.com AI stands out for its ability to integrate with other platforms. It works with popular tools like CRMs, email marketing systems, and analytics platforms, allowing you to centralize everything in one place. This saves you from hopping between multiple tools, improving your overall workflow, and keeping things more streamlined. What's also impressive is the software's scalability. Whether you're running a small business or managing a large enterprise, Deferred.com AI scales with you. It can handle increasing volumes of data and tasks without sacrificing performance. So you can use this software as you grow without needing to worry about outgrowing it. Finally, one of the best things about Deferred.com AI is its customer support. AI tools can be complicated, but with Deferred.com, you have access to a support team that's ready to help. Whether you need troubleshooting advice or a deeper dive into the features, you can rely on their team to guide you through. So, that's a quick rundown of the 7 crucial things you need to know about Deferred.com AI. Remember, you can try it for free from the link below, and after testing countless AI tools, I've also included my top AI recommendations in the description for you to explore. Trust me, you won't regret checking them out. If you're looking for a powerful, flexible, and easy-to-use AI tool to boost your productivity, Deferred.com AI might just be the perfect fit for you. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to explore the tools in the description.